Hi students, how are you all of you? My name is Adinelu. I am physics teacher. Today I am going to explain the topic of electric current and its effects. Electric current and its effects. In this lesson, first of all, I will explain what is the current. What is the current? So the definition I will explain. The rate of flow of charge is called the current. The rate of flow of charge is called current. It is denoted by the symbol of I. It is denoted by the symbol of I. So units of current is ampere. So this is about current. Current is defined as the rate of flow of charge is called the current. It is denoted by symbol. So here denoted by symbol is the I. Units of the current is the ampere. This is about current. Next I will explain what is the conductor, what is the insulator. What is the conductor and what is the insulator? Conductor. The definition of conductor is which substance allows the electricity is called the conductor. Which substance allows the electricity is called conductor. This is a very important definition. So conductor, which substance allows the electricity is called the conductors. So examples is human body and iron, air. So these are sorry for not human body and iron. Copper, like this, all these examples of the conductors. Which substance allows the electricity is called the conductor. Human body, iron, copper, and like this, these points is examples of the conductor. Next one, I will explain the insulator. Let's explain the insulator. Which body do not allows the electricity is called the insulator. Which substance or which body do not allows the electricity is called the insulator. Which substance do not allows the electricity is called insulator. So example is the wood, plastic, rubber. These are the materials are examples of the insulator. Which substance? Substance is do not allows the electricity. The substance is called the insulators. These examples is wood, plastic, rubber. This type In this lesson, we are using some important symbols. In this lesson, we are using some symbols that will explain. First of all, this one is the cell. This name is the cell. Second one, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. This one is the battery. This produces the current. So what is the difference between the cell and battery? So both are same, but what is the difference? Look at the board, all of you see clearly. So cell means this one is single one only, plus or minus, that is the cell only. But battery is the two or more cells are connected in series or parallel. Two or more cells making a circuit. So that is the battery. Next one is the switch. This one is the switch off. Switch off means break the current. This one is switch on. So switch on means turn on the electricity. So here the current will be breaking because of the switch is off position. Here switch on position. Switch on position means the electricity will be flowing like this. From here to here the electricity will be flowing. That is these symbols you are using in this lesson. So this also very this is the bulb. These 5 symbols we are using the electric current and its effects. This is a very important. Next one I will explain. How to produce magnetism when the current is passing from one point to another point or in conductor. So first of all, I will take conductor. This is the one of the conductor. Conductor is what is the conductor? Which substance allows the electricity is called a conductor. So this one is the current electricity will be yellow or not? Yellow. That is the conductor. I will take one conductor. Conductor means copper from point to A to B. Just imagine the current is flowing like this. I is the denoted of current. The current is traveling from A to B. So how to produce the magnetism? Where it produces? So the magnetism always produces perpendicular between the current direction. The magnetism always produces perpendicular between the current direction. So the current is moving like this, but the magnetism produces perpendicular. This is the magnetism. When the current is moving in direction, but current is moving like this, here to here current is moving, magnetism is like this. We are producing the magnetism. So one point keep in your mind always, the current is moving any direction, the magnetism is produces perpendicular between the current direction. This is the current direction, but the magnetism is the perpendicular. Both are here 90 degrees. The current is moving like this, but the magnet produces like this. So the current direction and the produces the magnetism always is making angle 90 degrees. This is very important. Next, making a magnet. How to make a magnet? Making magnetism. Next, making magnetism. You know, all of you, I will take one iron ring. This is the iron nail. In the iron nail, some like this. See, this is the iron nail. That is also iron nail. So iron is allows the electricity. Iron is a conductor. Conductor means which substance allows the electricity is called conductors. This is one of the conductor. So iron will be attracted to the iron nails. Understand my point? Here I will take iron. Here keep iron nails. Will be attracted or not? Not attracted because of both iron nails only. So irons are attracted by the magnets only. So here our concept is the making magnetism. So how to make magnetism is I will take this iron nail. I will take one conductor wire. Copper wire. I will take copper wire. This is the copper wire. This copper wire is attached to the one cell or using the one switch. All of you listen carefully. This is the iron nail. In this iron nail, I will arrange like this one is the copper. Copper wire. Iron nail. Cell. Switch. Here you are using the four things: iron nail, copper wire, cell, switch. What is the use of cell? To produce the current. Use of cell is that to produce the current. Switch. Switch means here off position or on position. Off position. So when you switch off means break the electricity. Switch off means break the electricity. When we are open the switch. Switch on means like this. Switch on means the electricity will travel like this. The electricity moving. So in previous slide what I explained, when the current direction always produces the magnet in the perpendicular current direction. So current is moving like this, magnet produces perpendicular. So here keep some iron nails. Will be attracting. So this iron only, but iron will be attracting. Iron means is the current will be traveling. When the current is flowing in the direction, automatically the iron nails will be attracting towards this big iron. This is small irons. This is the big iron. This small irons will be attracting towards the big iron because of the current is traveling continuously. When the break switch off means the iron nails will not attracted. When you are switch off, the current is traveling, the iron nails will be attracted. So that is the making magnetism. Next I will explain uses of magnets. Next I will explain uses of magnets. Magnets the way we are using. So see I will explain some instruments we are using like washing machines. Washing machine we are using the magnets and speaker box and AC, cooler and cell phones, headphones, So these things we are using the magnet in daily life. Doors also. Doors. Okay. These type of materials we are using this magnets. So some heavy materials also to lifting. So for example using crane. This duster are we lifting. which areas are we lifting. But big items like this car, bus, how to lifting? Humans can lifting this type of materials. No. So we are using the cranes. Strong magnets. We are using strong magnets to lifting the heavy loads. So this is about electric current and its effects. Thank you for your watching.